And the top focus on the big story of the day, the suspense over who the next Chief Minister of Karnataka will be continues. After the hectic parleys in Bengaluru, the drama has now shifted to Delhi. A crucial meeting is scheduled at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence later this evening. This after the Bengaluru MLAs gave their decision in secret ballots to the High Command. Sources suggest that Siddaramaiah has an edge in the ballot votes, with about several MLAs backing the leader. DK Shivkumar, the state president of the party, is banking on support from the High Command to back him as the Chief Minister. Times Now has also learned from sources that DK Shivkumar is likely to go to Delhi today after an appeal by Randeep Surjewala. More breaking updates now coming in on the broadcast. The Congress Central Observer Sushil Kumar Shinde, the Congress General Secretary KC Venugopal and Congress Observer Bhavar Jitendra Singh have arrived at the Delhi airport. So they've just arrived. The big decision on Karnataka is going to be taken in the national capital. The observers who were in Karnataka have just arrived in Delhi. Remember, these are the top leaders who had a discussion with the elected MLAs of the Congress party in Bengaluru. That all-important meeting took place yesterday. We're told the meeting went on as late as 2 a.m. And after a discussion from the MLAs, today the decision on the Chief Minister is going to be taken in the national capital, with the High Command taking that decision. Let's go across to my colleague Nyamika, who's joining us with the details of what's expected. Nyamika, we're just getting in visuals of the observers who were in Karnataka holding discussions with the MLAs. Now, of course, it is for the High Command to decide who gets the top job.
Well, absolutely. The ball is now in the court of the Congress High Command, and very soon we can expect that there is going to be a crucial meeting here at 10 Rajaji Marg. We are being present here, which is the residence of the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, and the latest visuals which are coming in, it is being seen that the Congress observer Sushil Kumar Shinde and Jitendra Singh, along with the General Secretary of Karnataka Randeep Singh Surjewala, have already arrived at the Delhi airport, and in a short while they are expected to reach here at the residence of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, in which they are going to submit a report to the Congress President regarding the viewpoint of the elected MLAs. Yesterday also the legislative party meeting took place, in which all the elected MLAs have expressed their opinion. They have given their wish in a secret ballot, and now the final decision will be taken by the Congress High Command itself, that who is going to be the chief ministerial candidate for the Congress party in the state of Karnataka. But there is a tough decision which the Congress needs to take, because there is a clash which is being going on within the supporters of DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah. As we have seen that DK Shivkumar has given a bite to media today morning, in which he had said that he will accept whatever decision will be taken by the Congress High Command, whatever responsibility will be given to him. But he was not certain about the fact whether he wants to come to Delhi or not, and for that matter, Randeep,
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि ये जो डिफरेंसेस हैं ये केवल आपके अखबार तक सीमित हैं। सच्चाई ये है कल रात 1 बजे की। अब मुझे नहीं पता आपको इसमें डिफरेंस दिखता है या मोहब्बत। तो आज क्योंकि मेरे प्रदेश कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष हमारे साथी शिव कुमार जी का जन्मदिवस भी है, कल सब कांग्रेस के लोग समेत डीके शिव कुमार जी और सिद्धारमैया जी बहुत प्यार से, मोहब्बत से, जब रायशुमारी चल रही थी तो इधर सेलिब्रेशन भी चल रही थी। तो इसलिए कोई डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन नहीं है। राजनीति में इच्छा स्वाभाविक है। राजनीति में स्टेट को लीड करने की इच्छा में कोई गुरेज या बुराई नहीं मानी जानी चाहिए, और सबको अपनी अपनी बात रखने का अधिकार है। याद करिए, एक बार पहले भी टीवी चैनल्स ने ऐसी ही एक बात चलाई थी, और अखिल भारतीय कांग्रेस कमेटी के प्रांगण में डीके शिव कुमार जी और सिद्धारमैया जी दोनों ने इकट्ठे खड़े होकर ये कहा था, आपके सामने आपके कैमरास का पुराना बाइट निकाल लीजिए, कि हाँ मैं भी उम्मीदवार हूं और डीके शिव कुमार भी उम्मीदवार हैं। और डीके शिव कुमार जी ने कहा था, हाँ मैं भी उम्मीदवार हूं और सिद्धारमैया जी भी उम्मीदवार हैं। तो राजनीति में इच्छा रखना कोई बुराई नहीं, वो स्वाभाविक है कि हम सब अपने अपने प्रांत का नेतृत्व करना चाहते हैं। कांग्रेस में बहुत दिनों से भारतीय जनता पार्टी इंतजार में बैठी है, पिछले 2.5 साल से। ये आज झगड़ा हुआ, पूरी भाजपा टूटकर बिखर गई, कांग्रेस में तो झगड़ा हुआ नहीं। तो ना अब हुआ ना आगे होने वाला है, क्योंकि हमारा लक्ष्य अर्जुन की तरह मछली की आंख का है, जैसे महाभारत में अर्जुन का था, और वो है कि कांग्रेस की 5 गारंटी लागू करो, कर्नाटक के लोगों की सेवा करो, एक ब्रांड कर्नाटका का नया निर्माण करो और कर्नाटक को देश का बेहतरीन प्रदेश बनाओ। और हम ये आपको करके दिखाएंगे, आपके दर्शकों से, आपके पाठकों से हमारा वादा है। धन्यवाद।
कब तक मुख्यमंत्री न्याय मिल जाएगा सर?
That was the reaction of Randeep Surjewala, the Congress General Secretary. He was also co-in-charge of Karnataka. All is well, he says, saying nothing wrong if someone wants to be the Chief Minister, saying Congress is a united front. Now, amid this race for the Karnataka Chief Minister and the Congress, B.K.